Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 317. It's a medium level problem, but you can see the accuracy of this one is pretty low. Out of 13,500 submissions, less than 5,000 are accepted. Let's see what are the tricky cases here. I saw a couple of them and I'll discuss that in the video, right? Let's first see what the problem statement says. So the problem name is most popular video creator. The problem statement says that you are given two string arrays, creators and IDs, and an integer array views. Now all these three arrays are of length n. The ith video on a platform was created by creator I, having an IDs of I, right? And the it has views which is represented by views of I. Okay, the popularity of a creator is sum of the number of views on all the videos that creator has created. Okay, find the creator with the highest popularity and the ID of their most viewed video. Now if there are multiple creators having the highest popularity, find all of them. Also, if there are multiple videos having the highest view count for a creator, find the lexicographically smallest ID. Return a 2D array of strings. Answer where answer of I equals to creator of I, comma ID of I, meaning that creator I has the highest popularity and ID I is the ID of their most popular video. The answer can be returned in any order. We have certain examples. Let's jump into the explanation. Actually, this problem doesn't need any explanation. Rather, I would say it tests your data structure knowledge. What data structure you will use, how you will implement that and all that, right? So let me just tell you what problem is saying. So problem says that you have three arrays. One is creators, right? One is IDs, one is views, right? All the length of all of them is n, right? Now suppose Alice is a creator. Alice created a video with ID 1 having views 5. Now Bob also created a video. ID is 2, views is 10. Now Alice created one more video, ID 3, views 5, and then Chris created a video, ID is 4, views is 4. So what I need to tell is that first find all the creators having maximum views. Now what are the views for a creator? Views are for all the videos that a particular creator has created, some of the views of its videos. Like for Alice, so Alice has created two videos. One is this one, second is this one, right? You can see here mapping. So it is 5 plus 5. Total views that Alice has is 10. What about Bob? Bob created just one video having views 10, right? What about Chris? Chris created a video having just 4 views, right? So that means what is the maximum views that a creator has? It is 10, and two creators have that views 10 and 10. Now for these creators, return the video which has maximum views. Okay, so for Alice, what are the two videos? 1 and 3. Which one has maximum views? So it has 5 views, it has 5 views. But the problem says if multiple videos have the same views, so you return the smallest string, smallest lexicographically string, right? So 1 is small, right? 1 is less than 3. Now why it is less than 3? Simple, we know how to do the comparison of two strings, so that is why we return 1 in this case, right? Even if you still want to know, just check the first character O and T. So MNOPQRST. So O comes before T. That means this one has a lesser ASCII value. So obviously, if you sort these two, then 1 will come first in the dictionary, 3 will come afterwards. So this is lexicographically smaller string, right? So what are the things that we need to do? And similarly for Bob, which video Bob has created? Just this one, 2. So only one video having views 10, you return this. So your answer will be Alice. Video was 1. This is one thing. And the second thing will be Bob 2. Got it? So find the total views for a creator, and for a particular creator, return the video having maximum views. If there are multiple creators, return all those creators, and for all those creators, return the videos having maximum views. If there are multiple videos with the same views, then return the smallest one, smallest lexicographically. The id needs to be lexicographically small, right? So again, as I told, this is an implementation based question. It basically is testing your data structure knowledge. So what I have done is, what are the things that you need, right? So you need a creator, right? A creator and views map. That for this creator, this is the total number of views, right? So for this we take a map, right? What is the other thing that you need? You need a map for creator, comma, I want the videos sorted in based on the views. So for this creator, there are certain videos. I want those videos to be sorted based on views, the in ascending or descending order, right? So we have done in ascending order. So for this creator, I want what I want. I want views and the ID of those views. So this is a map. This is a map. So finally, this is a map of string, comma, integer, right? And this is a map of string for creator, comma, a tree map. Why a tree map? Because tree map basically keeps your keys in sorted order. So in this, it's an integer because we are sorting based on views, comma, string, right? This is what we do. These are the two things that we need, right? Now what we will do, simple stuff. Start traversing your array, right? See who is the current creator, right? Check whether or not your current creator is present in the map or not. If that creator is not present, then add it to your map, right? Update your sum, right? These are the two maps, map number 1, map number 2. For this creator, update your views, add it. And for this creator, what you do, if it is not present, add a tree map. In that tree map, enter the current video's views and the ID of that video. However, if that creator is already present in this map, then what you will do, just add the video details of this video, right? That means the number of views and the string, right? You do it, simple stuff. Also, what I have done, while adding only, now just see here, it's a tree map, and map cannot have duplicate values, keys. So what I have done here, suppose there are, for a particular creator, there are two videos having the same views. Like in our example, Alice had two videos, right, like this. So a shortcut that I have taken, or an optimization, whatever you call it, if multiple videos are there having the same views, so I can overwrite it. What I can do, suppose for view 5 no video is present for Alice, so just put it whichever you get first, and then when you get the second value having view 5, you compare it, whatever the value is present. Suppose 3 was present, okay? So just suppose 3 was present, and what is the current video that you are considering? 1. So just see which one is lexicographically smaller. If this is lexicographically smaller, don't change your map. If this is lexicographically smaller, change your map. So your map will look something like Alice has a tree map. Tree map is 5 1, right? Suppose there is a video this, so this is a map, right? So Alice, this is the views of that video, ID of that video, views of that video, ID of that video. If multiple videos are there with the same views, obviously multiple entries cannot be created. So for 5, keep the lexicographically smallest one, right? Simple. So this is what I have done. Now what you do, once you have done this, then find the maximum value in your map, this map, because here this integer represents the views for a particular creator. So what is the maximum number of views a creator had got? Suppose that is X. In our case, it was 10. So what do you do? Traverse your map and see that which creators have got total views of 10. So create a list of string, and let's call it max view creators. In my code I have done max view creator. Just a second. Yeah, max view creator. So you add max view creator. So you add all the creators with the maximum views here. Now I just want to take care of these creators. So what I'll do, I'll fetch the creator one by one, right? Fetch the creator one by one. Now when you fetch the creator, use this map. For that creator, fetch their tree map. So once you fetch their tree map, your tree map is sorted in ascending order. So that means in your tree, last last entry in your tree map will have the maximum number of views, right? It will be something like 1, 2, 10, 15, something like this, 20. So this will be present at the last. So just fetch the last value, and then what you do, you start traversing your map in reverse order. Okay, and when you start traversing, so what you can do is simple stuff. Just see that what is the what do you call it, what is the maximum views that you are getting. Actually I wrote the code of this considering that there can be multiple keys, but actually that is not required. I can modify the code, but yeah. So you fetch this one, and then obviously this entry is already having the lexicographically small string. Just add it to your answer. So your answer will be the current creator comma this video, the ID of this video, let's call it 1. You do this for everyone, and then we are good to go, right? So this is the stuff that I've done here. If I talk about yeah, so you can see starting from line number 4 and 5, I have created a couple of maps as told, right? And on line number 7 I start traversing. Creator is the ith creator, and sorry, and you keep, if your creator is not present, you put it. Again on line number 13 you have a tree map, okay, because you have added the tree map that was not present. And on line number 14 to 17, just see what I've done. If there is already a key present with the current views, just put the lexicographically smallest one. For that what I've done, current dot compare to IDs of I. If that is greater than 0, that means the value that is already present is greater than, is lexicographically greater than the value that I'm considering. So update your map. And line number 19, creator dot put. In this you are updating the views, okay. Then on line number 22, what you can do, max view creator equals to collection dot max ct dot values. It means in your map what is the maximum value, okay. Then on line number 23 to 27, just see I am adding all the creators having the maximum views, okay. Then on line number 30 to 53, the stuff that I was telling you, pick up one creator, pick up the tree map. On line number 33, what is the max view video? So that will be the last key that is present. Then I have added current is this, and a number of stuff, but to be very honest this can be skipped. And then finally on line number 48, 49, 50, you can see that I've added that into my answer. And then finally a temp array list, and then I've added it to my answer, and then we are good to go, right? So yeah, that's it for this video. I am thinking that I can also probably tell you the if I just update, or what I'll do, this code works. If I just submit it, this code works. What I can do is I can add an updated code where I'll remove some stuff from here, right? Since this was a contest, I was writing code pretty fast, so I wrote some duplicate code. Like, what is the duplicate code? On line number 36, there is no need to check that key equals to max view video, because that will be max view video, right? So that is not at all needed. So probably we can skip that. And yeah, I think we can directly replace it by current equals to that means you can pick line number 37, and we will be good to go, I would say, right? If I'm just checking it while making the video. So if I just remove it, yeah, and if I just submit it, so ideally it should work, right? But yeah, I'll add the updated code as well in the description. So I hope you learned something new from this video. Do support it by giving up a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel. In case of any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'll revert on each one of them. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.